OpenAI just launched Study Mode, a radical new take on ChatGPT that turns it into an interactive tutor. Instead of just dumping answers, ChatGPT now guides students using the Socratic method, asking questions that get you thinking and helping you discover the solution step by step. Teaming up with educators from over 40 institutions, OpenAI built this mode to encourage true learning. Students start by sharing their background level and goals, then the chatbot tailors questions and feedback accordingly. It sports images and PDFs too, making it ideal for both college and K-12 users. But it's not foolproof. Critics warn students can still override the mode and get direct answers, risking shallow learning. Available now to all logged-in ChatGPT users, free, plus, pro, and team. Would you trust an AI tutor more than your old study routines? Try Study Mode and drop your experience below.